Hello, in this video I want to show you how to access the battery and remove it, and also how to place it back in Leica D Lux 7. So to do this, look on the downside of the camera right here, and now open the lock. Here's the battery. We'll need to click on this button right here and then simply remove the battery. And that's it for this video. Oh, and actually how to place it back. So to do this also, you'll need to locate the arrow right here, then adjust it like this, put it in, and then simply use a bit of the force to put it back in, close the gap, and then lock again. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.